Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When it comes to vegetables, I'm a purist. I like to steam them, plain and simple. Other times though, I like to change things up a little, so I prepare them differently. There's a side dish recipe that I enjoy serving when I make a pork roast or ham. It completes these proteins so beautifully. Here it is. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Grand Marnier Glazed Carrots. The combination of ingredients makes the side dish so tasty. It's a deliciously different way to serve carrots. Quick and easy to prepare, this is certainly a recipe you and your guests will enjoy. So my friends, let's get cooking.
First, we'll cook our carrots. So we'll place a steamer basket in a pot with just enough water to touch the bottom of it. Bring the heat to high, and when it's boiling, we'll add the carrots. We'll cover and steam them until tender, about 6 minutes. When they're done, we'll remove from the heat and set aside. Next, in a large saucepan over medium heat, we'll add butter. When it starts foaming, we'll add our steamed carrots along with brown sugar and the key ingredient, Grand Marnier. We'll stir the ingredients and let it cook for 3 minutes. The fact that we steam the carrots first helps to accelerate the cooking process. So now we'll season with ground rosemary, cayenne pepper, and ground sea salt. We'll stir until everything is well mixed and cook for 7 minutes or until the glaze thickens. We'll remove from the heat and transfer to our serving dish. We'll sprinkle some fresh chopped parsley and serve immediately. And my friends, this is our Grand Marnier Glazed Carrots. This quick side dish is so easy to make and the flavors are just incredible. This recipe pairs so well with many proteins, and I guarantee you'll be quite pleased with the results. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!